All right, let's talk about how you can autofill a series quickly in Excel. So I'm going to show you 3 ways you can autofill a series, and this third option here is going to be the fastest or most useful for you. So in Excel, obviously I can type a series by manually entering in every single number. However, Excel is pretty good at looking at patterns. So if I write the first 2 numbers, Excel's going to know, well, hey, this is just going up by 1. So if I click the bottom right corner of these cells I have highlighted and drag that down, that's going to number those sequentially, filling the series one by one. Now, if I were to go up by 5, let's say we started at 0 and went to 5, highlight those 2 cells, drag this down, Excel is going to recognize the pattern by going up every 5. So you can adjust the pattern or the series in that way. So let's say that we have a lot more numbers we want to fill in a series, going way down here, and we don't want to have to drag that formula that far down. What we can do is type the first number, select that cell, go to the home ribbon, under editing, look for this icon, hit the drop down and select series. This little menu box is going to appear, select columns, and then down here, it's going to ask you what your step value is and what your stop value is. So say we wanted a series of 200 numbers going up by 1. We could hit OK, and that will give us 1 through 200 in each corresponding cell. Or if we wanted to change the step value by 2, so we wanted 1, 3, 5, and so on, we could do 2, and you can manipulate that here. But if I were to hit OK, that will give me this number series going all the way down to 200, labeling each cell one by one. Now this third option, this is kind of the fastest way that you can autofill like 1,000 rows at a time in Excel. You can simply select the first cell, types equals, and type the sequence function. And then just indicate how many rows you want. So if I want 1,000 and hit enter, that's going to label 1 through 1,000. Now the sequence function can also be super useful. Let's say that we actually just wanted to show, we wanted it to say day 1, day 2, all the way down to day 365. What we can do is type equals, quote, day, quote, add the and sign, then we type in the function sequence 365 and hit enter. And that's going to give us day 1 all the way down to day 365. And say we wanted to add a space there, we'll just go like that. And then that looks maybe a little bit better. So that function can be super useful when you're trying to combine that sequence with another number. But there you have it. That's how you can autofill series in Excel or autofill thousands of rows at one time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.